When you're working in a project and you moved or renamed files in Adobe After Effects, it will give you a notification or error message that the files cannot be found. And it says it has 7 missing files. So you can then press OK, and unfortunately it's not the same as in Adobe Premiere Pro, where you can locate the files and let Premiere Pro search for itself in a folder you specify. Here you can only press OK. So when you do that, if you're working in a big project, it can be difficult and it can take time to find all the missing files, because this is a small project. You can see here, I can see which files are missing. But you can also go to this lookup glass, this magnifying glass, and then click it and choose missing footage. And then here it gives you all the footage that is missing. Now select one, then right click it, and then you can not reload because you moved it, but replace. And here you can choose to replace it with a placeholder or even a solid, but you can also choose a file. So when you choose file or press Ctrl+Command+H, it will open a folder. And in that folder, you can go to the place where it is located. And then, well, seeing as I didn't change the name, I can look for the correct name. So I want to replace it with the same footage here. And then I click this one and I choose import. Now, After Effects, because all the files were in the same folder, has found 6 additional missing files and also replaced those. So I have now, even though I only selected one file to replace, it found several files in the same folder and also replaced those. So all my files have now been replaced. Now, if those files aren't in the same folder, you will have to do this one by one. But yeah, that's how you can replace and find missing footage in Adobe After Effects. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.